Welcome to this healing relaxation to promote physical healing in your body. This healing relaxation will begin with passive progressive muscle relaxation and then guide you to imagine your body healing itself. Whatever can be conceived in the mind can be manifested in your body. So let's begin by finding a comfortable and relaxed position. This is your meditation coach, Rachna Nair. Allow your body to begin to relax. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Take a cleansing breath in and breathe out the tension in your body. Feel relaxation beginning at the bottom of your feet. It might feel like stepping into a warm bathtub, or it might feel like a tingling sensation, or simply calm and loose. Allow the relaxation to spread to your feet and up to your ankles. Feel the relaxation rising above your ankles, flowing up your lower legs, your calves up to your knees, continuing up to your upper legs. A wave of relaxation from your toes to your pelvic region. Allow the relaxation to continue to spread throughout your body, rising now to your hips and your pelvic area, then to your abdomen, your lower back, your chest, your upper back. Let your arms relax. The relaxation is spreading from your shoulders to your upper arms, to your elbows, now to your lower arms, your wrists, and feel the relaxation spread to your hands. Relaxing the palm of your hand, the back of your hand, each finger and thumb. Your hands feel pleasantly warm, heavy, and relaxed. Feel your body relaxing further as the area by your collarbones widens and relaxes. Allow your shoulders to ease back slightly. Take a deep breath in and out through your mouth and allow your upper back to relax even further. Let your shoulders relax and your neck relax. Feel the relaxation continue to spread to your chin and to the back of your head. Now to your mouth. Unclench your teeth. Loosen your jaw. Feel it spreading to your cheeks, your nose, and your eyes. Feel your eyelids heavy and relaxed. Relax the tissues surrounding your eyes. Relax your forehead. Notice your eyebrows relaxing and your ears relaxing as your forehead feels cool and relaxed. Let the relaxation spread to the top of your head. Your entire body now is relaxed and calm. Feel the relaxation flowing throughout your body, from your head to your feet. You can relax even further as you let your spine completely relax, starting where the top of your spine meets your head. That small dent at the back of your neck. Feel the relaxation, feel the muscles giving up their hold and relaxing. As the relaxation spreads down your spine, down your neck, your upper back, your middle back and lower back, all the way to your tailbone. At the bottom of your spine, notice all the muscles of your back relaxing completely. Feel the relaxation flowing through your body. Breathe in, hold your breath, and relax your muscles totally, allowing the breath to flow gently out your nose or mouth. Take another deep breath, breathing in relaxation, and release the breath. Breathe out any remaining tensions. Give a quick scan to your body. Continue to breathe smoothly and slowly as you mentally scan your body, looking for any remaining tension. If you notice any tension, focus on that area. Direct the relaxation to flow into that area and carry the tension away. Imagine that the air you are breathing can cleanse your body and remove tension. Give it a color if you want to. Imagine that every breath in carries relaxation. Picture the tension in your body leaving with each breath out. Give this tension a color if you may. Now simply relax and enjoy the feeling of relaxation for a few moments. Focus your attention now on your body and think about the healing that needs to take place. Create and imagine an image in your mind of your current state of being. Imagine any physical ailment if you have that is troubling you. It may be pain or illness or injury. It might be something diagnosed, or it may be a problem that you have not yet identified. Whatever it is you would like to heal, imagine this problem in your mind right now. Focus on the specific location in your body where this problem is present. You might want to imagine the problem as a dark area and picture the healing relaxation as light. See the light of relaxation flowing through your body. Direct the light of healing relaxation towards the dark area. Our body has many ways of healing itself. See the healing relaxation promoting your immune system, promoting your strength, promoting growth of healthy tissue, removing unhealthy matter from your body, removing toxins, removing bacteria, removing viruses or waste, cleaning up your body. Imagine the light of healing, relaxation flowing, swirling, touching the edges of the dark problem area in your body. And notice how small pieces of that dark area are being carried away by this healing relaxation light. Allow these dark pieces to leave your body as you breathe out. Breathe in health, healing, and calm. Breathe out tension, illness, and any problems in your body. Allow the light, healing, relaxation to continue swirling around the dark problem area. See the dark area getting smaller. Imagine the dark area completely enveloped by this relaxation light. See the healing relaxation making the dark area lighter and lighter, carrying away anything that is not good for your body at this moment. Imagine your immune system working to heal you. Picture the cells you need going to the places they need to go, working as they heal your body. Take a deep breath in and imagine healing relaxation flowing, coursing through your body. Picture your body entirely filled with relaxation. See, imagine or feel the problem area of your body healing. See it becoming even lighter, filled with relaxation, carrying away any discomfort, healing. Give your body permission to heal itself. Take a cleansing breath in and breathe out what your body does not need. Release. Breathe in relaxation. Breathe out all the old air. Relax for a few moments when you do not hear my voice and imagine the healing process going on inside your body. Feeling confident in your body's ability to heal, feeling calm and at peace. Now you may choose to return to your usual level of wakefulness and alertness or drift into sleep. If you choose to awaken, feel your body and mind becoming more aware of your surroundings. If you decide to sleep, let the relaxation deepen. I will count to 3. And when I reach 3, you will be at your desired level of relaxation or alertness. 1, 2, 3. Be there and enjoy. Thank you for joining me. God bless you.